In our gardens, we're drawn to the beauty above ground: flowers, leaves, fruit. But the real foundation of plant health lies hidden: the roots. Roots are the plant's lifeline, absorbing water and nutrients, anchoring it, and forming vital partnerships with soil life. Many gardeners focus on quick fixes for leaves, but true resilience starts below the surface. A plant with deep, healthy roots withstands drought, disease, and nutrient shortages far better than one with shallow roots. To grow a thriving garden, shift your focus from feeding leaves to nurturing roots. Think like an ecologist. Support the entire underground ecosystem. The secret to lasting plant health isn't in a bottle. It's in building living, healthy soil. When we feed the soil, we create the foundation for everything above to flourish. Molasses, a simple byproduct of sugar refining, is a powerful tool for soil health. It doesn't feed plants directly. Instead, it energizes the microbes that drive the soil food web. Pouring molasses into soil sparks a microbial boom as bacteria and fungi feast on its sugars. These microbes break down organic matter, unlock nutrients, and improve soil structure, making life easier for roots. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can disrupt soil balance, molasses works with nature. It feeds the workers, microbes, who then feed the plants in a gentle, sustainable way. This microbial feast attracts earthworms, nature's master soil builders, whose tunnels and castings further enrich the earth. After a molasses treatment, the arrival of worms signals a thriving, living ecosystem. Molasses transforms soil from lifeless dirt into a vibrant, self-sustaining community. Using molasses is simple and safe for any gardener. Mix 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses into a gallon of water. Water your plant soil with this solution. No special tools needed. Always choose unsulfured molasses, as sulfured types can harm beneficial microbes. For best results, combine molasses with organic matter like compost or shredded leaves. Molasses gives microbes a quick energy boost, while organic matter provides long-term food. Together, they create rich, resilient soil that holds moisture and nutrients. This easy practice builds a foundation for healthy plants and a thriving garden. Within 24 hours of applying molasses, soil life surges. Dormant microbes awaken, multiply rapidly, and begin breaking down organic material. This releases essential nutrients in forms plants can absorb. Beneficial bacteria form a protective shield around roots, boosting plant immunity. Soil structure improves as microbes bind particles into crumbly aggregates, increasing aeration and water retention. Roots can now grow deeper and stronger, accessing more resources. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which offer a quick but shallow boost, molasses builds lasting soil health. The result? Resilient plants and a living, self-sustaining soil ecosystem. The benefits of molasses become clear as soil darkens, softens, and teems with earthworms. Over time, this living soil holds water better, releases nutrients steadily, and supports robust, pest-resistant plants. Molasses isn't a quick fix or a cure-all. It's a catalyst for a healthy system. It works best alongside compost mulches and gentle soil care. Avoid expecting miracles if your soil is toxic or compacted. Molasses can't fix everything. But as part of a holistic organic approach, it helps build a resilient, fertile garden. The real secret? Feed the soil, not just the plant. With patience and care, you'll cultivate a garden that thrives year after year.